is. This is the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and it is the LaTrax Prerunner. And this thing is looking pretty cool. So the LaTrax is powered by Traxxas. It has all the Traxxas electronics inside. You also get this LaTrax controller, which is basically a Traxxas controller. It almost looks like the TQI controller. You have a nice foam grip steering wheel, and then you do have steering trim right here. Also in the box, you do get the 4 AA batteries for the controller. And then in this box here, you have the wall adapter to charge the battery. So this is a Traxxas ID plug. So here is the receiver. It is waterproof receiver, and the ESC is waterproof as well. There's the battery tray. It comes with a 7.2 volt, 1200 milliamp hour nickel metal hydride battery pack. And it does have the Traxxas ID plug. So if you don't want to use the wall charger and you already have a Traxxas ID charger, you can just charge it on the Traxxas ID charger. So this does come with 4-wheel independent shocks, and they are oil filled. You can see how they react here. Let's drop it. It does come with some metal parts for the drivetrain. It comes with a metal drive shaft, and then the differentials have a metal ring gear and pinion gear, but the housing and everything is plastic. And then here it comes with a 370 brushed motor, and you'll also find a quick start guide. It gives you all instructions on operating this vehicle, and then here it gives the entire parts list. So every part is replaceable on this, which is pretty awesome because we always break parts. So that's everything that comes in the box. Now I am like super excited to get this thing out and run it, but first we have to charge the battery up, and then this RC is ready to run. So there you got to see a little bit of the Prerunner off-road. The weather kind of got really bad since I filmed all that off-road stuff, and today's a new day, but we're in between showers, so I thought let's charge the battery up, put a fresh battery in, and see what this thing can do as far as speed wise. Man, this thing moves.
For this being a 370 motor, I cannot believe how fast it is. I love this truck. This truck is awesome. It's basically a mini Slash. Woo! It turns pretty quick too, as you can see. I'm really impressed with this truck. This thing is worth the money you spend on it. It's pretty fast, and you can take it off-road too. Take it in the stones there, take it over here, run through the grass. Like, as long as it's not too rocky, this thing goes everywhere. The four-wheel drive on this is awesome. Like, the grass doesn't even really slow it down. What else can I say other than this thing is awesome? So let's talk about the giveaway.
Wow, this truck is awesome. I am so glad that you guys voted for this truck. Honestly, I was kind of hoping that the Teton would win, and I wanted to get the Teton, but this thing far exceeded my expectations. But enough talking. You guys want to know how you can win this. Well, I'll tell you. First, if you're not subscribed, right here is a little subscribe button. Go ahead and click it. Subscribe to the channel. That's the first thing you have to do. You have to be a subscriber. Unfortunately, the second thing is you have to be from the US. I know I have a lot of international subscribers. I do apologize. And maybe one day we can open up the giveaways to outside the US. But for now, it's just US subscribers who are eligible to win. And now for your entry. Your entry is which color Prerunner you want. So if you want the blue Prerunner, just comment blue Prerunner. If you want the red one, red Prerunner. So comment which color Prerunner you want, and that's your entry. So I need everybody to enter before Friday, November 15th. That's the deadline for your entry. And then that weekend, I will post a video that announces the winner. I'm going to be randomly picking a winner. But that's it. Like I said, subscribe button's right over here. You can't be eligible for the giveaways unless you click that subscribe button. Thank you everybody who helped get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. Smack that like button if you're excited for the Prerunner giveaway. And I hope to see you win this ready to run RC.